These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun.
Hey, I'm Dominique.
And I'm Brittany.
And we are minivan_space confession. We got a request to try some of like the Dairy Queen stuffs. So we are back at Dairy Queen. We've got 3 of their like new / summer menu things that we're gonna try out. We should probably do that one last. We have a Sour Patch Kids one, but I think we're gonna try that one last because that's probably gonna be the craziest one.
Yeah.
We've got a brownie batter one, and then we've got a s'mores one. Should we start with s'mores? It's good summer.
Yeah, that's good.
Good thing I have my nails.
We had ice cream in my cup holder, y'all.
You're gonna have to kind of try that kind already to get your spoon clean.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna try some s'mores. It's melting already. We literally just went through.
Yeah, like, it's a mess. I need to get no chocolate. Come on, we need that chocolate.
I've got a piece of chocolate. That's pretty good.
Yeah, that is really good. It's the chocolate that sold me.
It tastes like kind of like a s'more, but in just like vanilla ice cream instead of like marshmallow. I don't think I tasted anything marshmallowy yet, did you?
Like, I want there to be like a chunk of marshmallow.
Yeah.
Like some of these chunks are huge.
Yep, but they're just the ice cream, I think. Is it?
And a chunk of graham cracker.
I don't think I've seen any marshmallow. I don't see no marshmallow in here.
It is good though. I could definitely like eat one.
Yeah.
I could probably only eat one that size though.
Yeah.
Because I think it would be like too much after a while.
Yeah. Should we move on to our next one, the brownie one? I'm sorry if you can hear that bug outside screaming.
Yeah, like rude.
Seriously. Okay. Next we've got, I think this one was called brownie batter.
Yeah, I'm excited about that. It tasted kind of good, like when I had to clean my spoon off.
Melting so quick.
I know. You're like gooey.
A lot of chocolate. It's good, but it's too much chocolate for me. I'm not a big chocolate ice cream fan, and it's chocolate ice cream because it's like a big chocolate thing.
I'm the same. I'm not like real big on chocolate cake or chocolate ice cream. That is like a huge chunk.
Yeah. I mean, it's good. It's just, I wouldn't come and order it, you know. Maybe the s'mores one. If somebody I was with got this, I would probably steal like a few bites of it, but I don't think I would order it. But it is good. It's just too much chocolate for me. I'm not a big chocolate ice cream fan. I'm going to try more of this one for you know.
Yeah, I'm not big on chocolate either.
Yeah. This would be sure. And then our last one is like our crazy one. I need to take the. We're not going to eat any more of that one, are we?
No.
Okay, then I'm just going to put it in there. We got a little bit. Okay. It's already melting, but like, I don't know if you can see it. Okay, well, you're not going to get to see it then, but if you can kind of see it, it's blood red. And, yeah. It's still like. Alright, and there's like, I can see there's like chunks of Sour Patch Kids. It's really like loud and squeaky.
I know.
We're both a little bit nervous like for this one. There's like a train kind of station thing back there. So So those are trading breaks right now, squealing and squealing. But we're both kind of nervous for this one.
Oh.
I'm not even sure, like, if this is like vanilla ice cream or like some kind of like sherbet or. I don't know. It's weird. Mine was so, like, my bite was so melted though. What are you thinking?
I don't know. Like, it's like kind of a weird texture.
I do have to say I'm not a fan of the chunks of Sour Patch Kids. I get it makes it the Sour Patch Kid thing. But you should just use like the like sugar or something from it.
This is definitely a kid one.
I think that's vanilla ice cream.
I think so.
It tastes like it's vanilla ice cream. We could be wrong. We don't know about these because we didn't even see it on the menu. But like, we knew they had them, so we asked about it. I think the s'mores is definitely my favorite.
I do like this better than that though.
Yeah. Well, actually, I like that one better than this one. Honestly,
I do like the brownie chunks.
Yeah. I don't think, even if somebody I was with ordered this, that I would really be taking bites of it. I'd be like, no, I'm good. I do want some more of this. S'mores one. All right. We've tried them all now. My favorite is the s'mores.
Mine is too.
Yeah. And least favorite is the Sour Patch one.
Yeah, that one wasn't very good.
Yeah.
It was too much.
Yeah. The brownie one we're not like a huge fan of, but not opposed to either.
It's definitely better than the Sour
Yeah.
Patch.
And it's like I would eat it if somebody bought one. Sour Patch Kid, if somebody bought one, I'd be like, I'm good.
That's all you, bud.
You're on your own on that one. But yeah, if you guys have any other like flavors or anything you guys think we should try, or like any like other food someplace else you think we should try, you want to see what we think of them, like reaction, know if you should bother trying them or not, you know. Let us know if you guys like this. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share the video if you enjoyed it.
Make sure that you like our page on Facebook as well, and follow us on Instagram.
We're gonna now finish the rest of our little mini ice creams. So we will see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.